Kidney disease is often called a silent health crisis because it can develop gradually, without obvious warning signs. Unlike many conditions that produce immediate symptoms, declining kidney function may progress for years before a person realizes that something is wrong. During this time, the kidneys continue working as efficiently as possible, compensating for damage and maintaining essential bodily functions, even as their ability to filter waste slowly diminishes. The kidneys are among the most remarkable organs in the human body. Located on either side of the spine, these bean-shaped structures perform an extraordinary range of tasks every day. They filter waste products from the blood, remove excess fluids, regulate electrolyte levels, help control blood pressure, support red blood cell production, and contribute to maintaining overall chemical balance throughout the body. Every minute, large amounts of blood pass through the kidneys, allowing them to continuously clean and regulate the body's internal environment. When kidney function begins to decline, waste products that would normally be removed can start accumulating in the bloodstream. One of these waste products is creatinine, a substance produced naturally by muscle activity. Healthcare professionals often monitor creatinine levels because elevated levels may indicate that the kidneys are not filtering blood as effectively as they should. One reason kidney disease is so concerning is its widespread impact. Millions of people around the world live with chronic kidney disease, while many more remain undiagnosed. Conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure are among the leading causes of kidney damage, making kidney health closely connected to broader public health challenges. As these conditions become increasingly common, the number of people affected by kidney disease continues to grow. In the early stages, symptoms may be subtle or entirely absent. Some individuals experience fatigue, swelling in the legs or ankles, changes in urination patterns, difficulty concentrating, or persistent weakness. Because these signs can easily be attributed to other causes, many people do not seek medical attention until the condition has progressed further. Beyond the physical effects, kidney disease can significantly influence quality of life. Reduced kidney function may affect energy levels, dietary choices, medication requirements, and overall well-being. In severe cases, advanced kidney failure may require dialysis or transplantation to sustain life. The silent nature of kidney disease explains why people are often drawn to claims promising simple, natural, and rapid solutions. When confronted with concerns about rising creatinine levels or declining kidney function, the idea that a common vegetable might offer powerful support naturally captures attention and curiosity. When people hear the words failing kidneys and rapidly reduces creatinine, the promise of a simple solution becomes incredibly attractive. Kidney disease can feel overwhelming, especially when individuals learn that their kidney function is declining or that their creatinine levels are rising. Faced with medical terminology, lifestyle changes, and concerns about long-term health, many people begin searching for natural ways to support their kidneys. This search often leads them to bold claims about a particular vegetable that supposedly revitalizes damaged kidneys and produces dramatic improvements in a short period of time. These claims frequently appear in videos, articles, social media posts, and health forums. The message is often presented with great confidence. Viewers are told that doctors are overlooking a natural remedy, that a simple vegetable can cleanse the kidneys, or that eating a certain food can quickly restore kidney function. Personal success stories are commonly used to reinforce the message, creating the impression that the solution is both simple and universally effective. The popularity of these claims is rooted in human nature. People naturally hope for solutions that are easy to understand and easy to apply. A vegetable is familiar, affordable, and accessible. Compared with the complexity of managing chronic kidney disease, monitoring laboratory values, controlling blood pressure, regulating blood sugar, and following medical advice, the idea of improving kidney health through one specific food can seem far more appealing. Part of the confusion arises because vegetables are genuinely beneficial for overall health. Many vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and plant compounds that support numerous bodily functions. Some may help reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, improve metabolic function, or contribute to better dietary habits. These legitimate benefits can sometimes become exaggerated into claims that extend far beyond what scientific evidence actually supports. The phrase rapidly reduces creatinine is particularly powerful because creatinine is a widely recognized marker of kidney function. However, creatinine levels are influenced by multiple factors, including muscle mass, hydration status, medications, dietary patterns, and underlying medical conditions. Changes in creatinine creatinine do not always reflect dramatic improvements or declines in kidney health, and interpreting these values requires careful medical evaluation. What begins as a discussion about nutritional support can gradually evolve into a promise of kidney rejuvenation. As information spreads online, important distinctions between supporting healthy kidney function and reversing established kidney disease are often blurred. The result is a narrative that sounds hopeful and compelling, even though the biological reality of kidney health is considerably more complex than the headlines suggest. Whenever a health claim captures public attention, curiosity quickly turns to a single question: which vegetable is everyone talking about? Depending on the source, different vegetables are promoted as powerful kidney-supporting foods. Some articles highlight cabbage, while others focus on cauliflower, red bell peppers, cucumbers, asparagus, or leafy greens. Each of these vegetables contains nutrients that can contribute to overall health, which helps explain why they are often associated with kidney wellness and lower creatinine levels. Cabbage is frequently mentioned because it is rich in vitamins, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds, while being relatively low in certain minerals that some individuals with advanced kidney disease may need to monitor. It contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress and can be part of a balanced eating plan designed to support overall health. Cauliflower is another vegetable commonly praised for its nutritional profile. It provides vitamin C, fiber, and various plant compounds that contribute to healthy digestion and general wellness. Because it can serve as a versatile substitute for higher carbohydrate foods, it is often included in dietary approaches aimed at supporting metabolic health, which indirectly benefits kidney function. Red bell peppers are frequently recommended because they contain high amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect cells from damage and support numerous biological processes throughout the body. Their bright color reflects the presence of beneficial compounds that have attracted significant scientific interest. Cucumbers are often associated with hydration due to their high water content. Since proper hydration is important for many bodily functions, including kidney health, cucumbers are sometimes promoted as natural kidney cleansers. While hydration supports normal kidney function, no vegetable can simply wash away kidney disease or instantly restore damaged kidney tissue. Asparagus and leafy green vegetables are also commonly highlighted because they fiber and phytonutrients. Their nutritional value contributes to overall dietary quality, which can play an important role in maintaining health and supporting the body's natural systems. What all of these vegetables have in common is that they are nutrient-dense foods that fit well into balanced dietary patterns. Their benefits arise from their nutritional content, rather than any magical ability to rejuvenate failing kidneys. Scientific research generally supports the value of eating a variety of vegetables as part of a healthy lifestyle, but it does not support the idea that one specific vegetable can rapidly reverse kidney damage. The true strength of these foods lies in their ability to support long-term health when consumed consistently, not in delivering instant results that transform kidney function overnight or eliminate the need for appropriate medical care. To understand why no single vegetable can instantly rejuvenate failing kidneys, it is important to understand how the kidneys and creatinine actually work. The kidneys are among the body's most sophisticated filtration systems. These two organs continuously process blood, remove waste products, regulate fluid balance, maintain electrolyte levels, and help keep the body's internal environment stable. Their work takes place every moment of every day, largely without conscious awareness. Inside each kidney are approximately 1 million microscopic filtering units, known as nephrons. These tiny structures are responsible for cleaning the blood and producing urine. As blood flows through the kidneys, nephrons filter out waste products, excess water, and substances the body no longer needs. At the same time, valuable nutrients and fluids are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream to maintain balance. One of the waste products filtered by the kidneys is creatinine. Creatinine is produced naturally when muscles use energy. Because muscle activity occurs continuously, creatinine is constantly generated and released into the bloodstream. Healthy kidneys remove most of this creatinine through urine, keeping blood levels within a relatively stable range. When kidney function declines, the kidneys may become less efficient at filtering waste products. As a result, creatinine can begin to accumulate in the blood. This is why healthcare professionals often use blood creatinine measurements as one indicator of kidney function. Higher creatinine levels may suggest reduced filtration capacity, although additional tests are usually needed to gain a complete understanding of kidney health. It is important to recognize that creatinine levels can be influenced by several factors beyond kidney disease: muscle mass, age, sex, hydration status, physical activity, certain medications, and dietary patterns may all affect creatinine measurements. A laboratory result must therefore be interpreted within the broader context of an individual's overall health. Kidney disease itself can develop through many different pathways: diabetes, high blood pressure, autoimmune disorders, infections, genetic conditions, and long-term exposure to certain toxins or medications may all contribute to kidney damage. In many cases, the damage occurs gradually over years, affecting the structure and function of nephrons. Because kidney function depends on millions of microscopic filtering units working together, restoring lost function is far more complex than simply eating one particular food. Nutrition can support overall health and may help reduce some risk factors associated with kidney disease. But the biological processes involved in kidney function, waste filtration, and creatinine regulation are intricate systems shaped by numerous interacting factors throughout the body. The difference between scientific evidence and popular health myths becomes especially important when discussing kidney disease. Because kidney health is such a serious topic, people often search for information that offers hope, reassurance, and practical solutions. Unfortunately, this same desire for answers can make individuals vulnerable to exaggerated claims that promise dramatic results without sufficient evidence. Understanding what science actually shows helps separate realistic expectations from misleading promises. Scientific research follows a careful process. Researchers gather data, conduct controlled studies, analyze results, and submit findings for review by other experts. Conclusions are based on evidence collected from multiple studies, rather than isolated observations. Even when early research appears promising, scientists usually call for additional investigation before making strong recommendations. Health myths often begin with a small piece of truth. A study may show that a particular vegetable contains antioxidants, supports cardiovascular health, or contributes to a healthy diet. As the information spreads, the original findings can become exaggerated. A food that may support overall wellness is transformed into a supposed cure for kidney disease. What started as a modest scientific observation eventually becomes a headline, claiming that one vegetable revitalizes failing kidneys or rapidly lowers creatinine. Testimonials frequently contribute to this process. A person may report feeling better after improving their diet and adding more vegetables to their meals. While their experience may be genuine, it does not prove that a single vegetable caused the improvement. Many factors influence kidney health, including hydration, blood pressure control, blood sugar management, medication adherence, weight management, physical activity, and underlying medical conditions. Scientific evidence strongly supports the idea that healthy dietary patterns can play an important role in overall kidney health. Diets rich in vegetables, fruits, whole foods, and appropriate nutrient balance may help support cardiovascular and metabolic health, both of which are closely connected to kidney function. Researchers also recognize that certain dietary approaches can be beneficial for individuals with specific kidney-related conditions when guided by healthcare professionals. What science does not support is the claim that a vegetable can rapidly regenerate damaged kidneys or reverse chronic kidney disease on its own. Kidney disease often involves structural changes within kidney tissue that develop over long periods of time. These changes are far more complex than popular health myths typically acknowledge. Another hallmark of science is transparency about uncertainty. Researchers openly discuss study limitations, conflicting results, and unanswered questions. Myths rarely include these details. Instead, they present simple explanations, guaranteed outcomes, and dramatic promises that sound appealing but fail to reflect the complexity of human biology and the realities of kidney health. Supporting kidney health is not about finding a miracle vegetable or chasing the latest health trend. The most effective strategies are usually the simplest and most consistent. Healthy kidneys depend on a combination of lifestyle choices, medical management, and nutritional habits that work together over time. Where while no single food can guarantee perfect kidney function, everyday decisions can influence how well these vital organs perform throughout life. One of the most important steps is maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet. Eating a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and other nutrient-rich foods helps provide the body with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protective plant compounds. A diverse diet supports overall health and may help reduce some of the risk factors associated with kidney disease, including high blood pressure, obesity, and poor metabolic health. Hydration also plays a significant role in supporting normal kidney function. The kidneys rely on adequate fluid intake to help regulate bodily processes and remove waste products, while hydration needs vary depending on age, activity level, climate, and and medical conditions. Maintaining appropriate fluid balance is an important part of overall kidney care. Managing blood pressure is another critical factor. High blood pressure can damage the delicate blood vessels inside the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter blood effectively. Regular monitoring, healthy eating habits, physical activity, and following medical advice can help keep blood pressure within a healthy range. Blood sugar control is equally important, especially for individuals living with diabetes. Elevated blood sugar levels can gradually damage the kidneys over time. Consistent management through nutrition, exercise, medication when prescribed, and routine medical follow-up can help reduce the risk of kidney-related complications. Physical activity provides benefits that extend far beyond weight management. Regular movement supports cardiovascular health, improves circulation, enhances metabolic function, and contributes to overall well-being. Even moderate activities such as walking can be valuable when practiced consistently. Routine medical checkups are essential because kidney disease often develops silently. Blood tests, urine tests, and other evaluations can identify problems before symptoms become severe. Early detection frequently creates more opportunities for effective management and intervention. Avoiding smoking and limiting unnecessary exposure to substances that may harm the kidneys are additional protective measures. Tobacco use has been linked to numerous health problems, including those affecting kidney function. Certain medications and supplements should also be used responsibly and according to professional guidance. Perhaps the most valuable lesson is learning to approach health claims with informed skepticism. Extraordinary promises may attract attention, but lasting kidney health is usually built through evidence-based habits, preventive care, regular monitoring, and consistent choices that support the body's remarkable ability to function and adapt.